Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Again, I'm Eduardo Gulfan, and into this video guys, I'm going to show you on how to look up or how to compute the percentage commission using the XLOOKUP here in Excel. So without further ado, let us start. So sample, this is our criteria and this is our data that need to be filled up. So let us type equals, then XLOOKUP. We can double click this. So the first parameter is lookup value. So click this. So comma to proceed another parameter, and then lookup array. So this is our basis. Then press import to lock this range. Then comma to proceed another parameter. So the next parameter is the return array, or the result should be the result. Okay, highlight and then press A4 again to lock this range. Then comma to proceed. If not found, we don't need this, so comma, and then we have four choices: the exact match, or next smaller item, and also the next larger item. And we need this one guys, the next larger item. So double click and enter. Here we go. So drag and let us try guys. So 10,000, so 10,000 is 2%. 15,000, this is 5%. Then 13,100, so belongs to this 5%. How about 11,150? So belongs to 2.5. So that's it guys. If you have any question, feel free to comment down below. I have to try my best to answer that one. And if you like this video guys, please click like, and if you have not yet subscribed, please click the button below. And that's all. Thank you, and see you to my next video.